Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so you can access all features. Once you're on the homepage, look at the bottom left corner and click on Get API Key. This will take you to the API Key Management page. Now click on Create API Key from the top right corner. A new window will open where you can set up your key. Here, give your API key a name, for example, Firebase, so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose a Google Cloud project. You can either select an existing project or create a new phone. If you want to create a new project, click on Create Project. Then enter a project name and click on Create Project to continue. After selecting or creating the project, click on Create Key. The API key will be generated instantly. Once the key is created, click on the Copy button next to it to copy the API key safely. You can also click directly on the API key to open its detail page. From here, you can review the key information or copy it again if needed. Now, open a new tab and go to the Firebase website. Make sure you are logged into the same Google account. On the Firebase dashboard, click on Studio from the top right corner. When the Studio opens, click on Split to Right so you can clearly see the workspace. Next, look at the top right corner and click on the arrow or option that says Switch to Code. This will open the code-based view of Firebase Studio. Now, check the left side panel to confirm you are inside Firebase Studio. After that, go to the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon. From the Settings menu, click on Settings again. In the Settings search bar, tap API to quickly find the relevant option. Finally, paste the Google AI Studio API key you copied earlier into the appropriate API field and save the changes. Once this is done, your Google AI Studio is successfully connected to Firebase and you can start using AI features within your Firebase project. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.